monomial. So monomial means there is no plus or minus sign in between. Okay. So in our case, if you multiply 2x and 3y, the answer will be what? 6xy. Is there any plus sign? So monomial. Next, an equation is true for dash values of the variable. Now this is certain values, not all. Sure, these two things we will combine them. And identity is true for all values of the variable. Now identity versus equation, we will see that, because then you will understand the difference. See, all these formulae, a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, these are identities. They are true for all values. You put any value of a, any value of b, this answer will always be true, right? That's why these are called as identities. Anything amongst these, it will always be true. Okay. Now what are equations then? See, this is equation. X cube minus 27 equals to 0. Now is it true for all values of x? Suppose if I take x as 3 plus 3, then answer is 3 cube is 27. 27 minus 27 0. Okay, it's true. If I take x as minus 3, then what will happen? Minus 27 minus 27. Is it 0? No. That's why equation is true for only certain values and identities are true for all values. These are identities. Okay. The numerical factor of a term is called coefficient. Numerical factor means what? This 4x square, this 4 is the numerical factor. 3xy, 3 is the numerical factor. Next, if x square plus y square equals to 29 and xy equals to 2, find x plus y, x minus y, x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4. Here we have done similar problem earlier in one of our videos in the same chapter. Now we will do this again. It's very simple. We want x plus y. So get the hint from this problem. X square y square and we want x plus y. X plus y the whole square will give you what? X square y square and xy. So all the things are there. So x plus y the whole square equals. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.